my bike check on my setup. So yeah, starting off up here for my grips. Got Fiend team grips with the Fiend bar ends. Pretty good. Fit skyscraper bars, 9 1/4 by 29. Good size. Merit top load stem with like some shadow bolts because the old one stripped out, so got those. Mission headset. It spins, so does what it needs to do. Kink foundation fork, 26mm offset, and then for my front wheel, got this Colony Wasp hub laced to a Pinnacle double wall rim. It's like a complete wheel. It's good. Got a metal peg in the front, and then coming to the frame, I got this awful 21-inch top tube amber frame with a crack on the bottom of my top tube, so makes it super solid and strong. For my seat, got a Shadow Penumbra seat and LaShawn Cobbs' signature colorway design thing. It's pretty cool. Premium slim PC pedals, they're good. Stock fit cranks from like my super old bike, and then coming on this side for my sprocket, I got a 25-piece Merit Mighty sprocket, and then a Shadow Interlock V2 chain, which is alright. For my back rim, I don't know what kind of rim it is. It's just a rim with some random spokes and a Primo Remix hub. Really good hub. We'll do a sound on that after. Daily Grind hub guard, and then another steel peg or metal. I don't know what kind of metal it is. It's a peg. And for tires, for the front, Fit TA tire, 2.3. Then on the back, I'm borrowing my friend's tire. It's an Animal Tom Whitewall and Whitewall, and 2.25. And this is what the hub sounds like. It's not like the loudest hub, but it's good. And that's my setup.